Well, hello everybody. This is Andre J. McClendon. Welcome to the Andre J. McClendon Show. Today I got something really good for you guys. Today we're going to talk about some silver and some gold, and going over some charts and the federal fund rate and how to purchase it and store it. It's going to be a real quick video, guys. So stay tuned. Let's jump right into it. All right. Give me 1 second. Let me put myself over here. All right. All right, guys. Let's go. So here's the federal funds rate, 52 years. So basically, I'm just going to talk about the main thing is the recession. We have a recession coming up soon, and every time during a recession, there's a massive movement in the price of gold and silver. So let's jump into the gold and silver prices. We have a 100-year chart, but I'm always displaying from the year of 1954, the same year for the federal funds rate, the start date. And basically, every single recession that came up, just about, not all of them, is that if you bought gold and silver during that time, or just silver right here, if you just bought silver during this time, there's massive increases in the price. Now, this is just showing the spot price, not showing the physical bullion. And this price did differ, but this right here is showing you that in the last recession, if you bought, you will still be up in profit on the paper side, but showing you that gold and silver are really good hedges for inflation and good stores of value during any type of recession, and that's just my opinion. Now we'll look at the same thing for gold. Now here's gold during a recession, another recession. Yeah, he lost value, lost some, but I invest gold and silver long term, short term. I trade in the spot market, and I also buy physical every month. So basically, in my opinion, if you're looking at a good way to preserve your wealth during a recession, buying precious metals, buying gold and silver is a good way to protect yourself from losing your wealth. Now, here's something that's very important. It's a 100-year historical chart of the gold-silver ratio, saying basically right now it's about 85-ish right now, or 82. So basically it takes 82 ounces of this silver bar just to get 1 ounce of gold. So basically, there's an undervalued and overvalued. Should be buying gold, should be buying silver during this time frame. Right now, I'm buying far more silver than I am buying gold. I think silver is one of the most undervalued assets out there. Just to show, once it hits around that 80 line, 70, 80 mark, it gets pinned down and gets revalued. Just my opinion, I'm saying I like buying more silver than gold, so I think it's going to be a higher price in that. So just going over, look at the recessions. During the recessions, they changed the interest rate, and during those time frames, if you match it up, you can tell that there's a flight to safety to gold and silver. All right, so let's go to our next one. Is going to be APMEX. So I'm at APMEX. APMEX is a website that I personally use to buy gold and silver physical bullion, and with this website, you can get to store with Citadel. Citadel is a company that stores your gold and silver. You pay like $45 every quarter or more. And there's some really good deals here. The customer service is amazing. Like, I buy the Sunshine bar all the time. I usually buy the 10-ounce bar. And if you click on here, there's multiple ways of payment. You can get credit card, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, and Bitcoin Cash, wire, and quantity. The more you buy, the bigger the discount. Our next thing is JM Bullion. Now, I like JM Bullion because I want to show you guys some cool things like Captain America. Now, I do have a collector's. I do collect certain gold coins and silver coins just for fun, so they can pass on. And these are some they're a little expensive, but if you buy one a month, you're increasing your wealth. But you have a collector's item, so you can pass on, which is I like to do. You don't have to do it, but JM Bullion, you can buy different types of metals other than gold, silver, platinum, palladium. You can get into those. There's same things about it's just that they don't have storage, but I like them because they have so many discounts. Our next thing is goldandsilver.com. Now, gold silver is a little bit different. They come with a lot of education, a lot. And you go to Gold Silver with Mike Maloney on YouTube, watch all his hidden secrets of money. You can learn so much. And this book I do recommend you guys reading. It's Gold and Silver by Mike Maloney. I've read this maybe 100 times. One of my favorite books to read. And basically, it will increase your financial knowledge so much. And If you want to buy the book, I'll link the book below, so just check it out. All right. And here's some new hidden secrets of money. Really good series. And this is how the book looks on Amazon. I always get the paperback. I like to actually read the book. And all right, guys. So as you're looking at making some extra money or trading through front trading, I show people how to make money through trading in the forex and crypto markets. So go to AndreJMcClendon.com to find out more. Also, if you're looking at buying these things right here, gold and silver, I don't have my gold bar with me. It's probably my storage unit, my storage. I sent the last thing to HMX, ATMEX. So here's some silver right here on hand. If you want to buy some silver, please go to his website. They're really, really good prices. And also, I didn't do an intro this time. I wanted to see what you guys thought about it. If you like the intro, you don't like the intro, does it make it too long? Just tell me what you guys think about it. And also, drop a comment, like, subscribe. And guys, thank you for your time. I'm trying to make the videos better quality, shorter, and to the point. And remember, AndreJMcClendon.com. You guys have a nice day. And if you want to find out more, watch my other videos. I'll put this in a playlist. You guys can get more, sign up for those. And have a wonderful day.